Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Sonos app to connect speakers to Wi-Fi. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Sonos app, begin by unlocking your mobile device. Next, open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. In the search bar, type Sonos. Look for the app labeled Sonos with the official logo. Tap on the app to open its details page. Review the app description and check the ratings. When you are ready, tap the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Sonos app on your home screen. Tap to open the Sonos app. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to either sign in or create a new account. After logging in, grant the app necessary permissions to access your Wi-Fi. Ensure your Sonos speakers are plugged in and powered on. The app will automatically search for nearby Sonos devices. When your speakers appear on the screen, follow the prompts to connect them to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network from the available options. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait for the app to confirm that your speakers are successfully connected. Once connected, you can customize your speaker settings. Explore the app to start playing music and control your speakers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.